Okay. Hello. I will discuss or talk about linked lists. Linked lists is expansion, traveling linked lists, search and linked lists, and I will talk about delete and search in linked list and hard linked list and two-way list. First one, I will talk about hard linked list. Hard linked list is always contain special node called hard node. It has two types. The first type is grounding hard lists. The second one creates hard lists. Creates a hard list. The first one is last node contain the null pointer, and the second one is last node points back to the harder node. Sorry. It means the first one is the end will be null, and the second one it will be back to the first point, the harder point or the harder node. And there's another one, it's called double linked lists. Double linked list is which every node has the next point and back points, and every node contains the address to the next node, and every node has contain address for the previous node. Has two node, it's expand the last node and the first node. And double linked list can be traveled in inter direction. It means can go anywhere. For example, can be in the middle, in the beginning, or in the end. Hard linked list. It's always simplify inspiration and delete and never to insert an item before the first or after the last item, and never to delete the first node. And you can see the hard node can begin at the last containing and value similar than the smallest value in the data set. And you can see the total node at the end of the last contained a value larger than the largest value in the dataset. There is two nodes, harder and troller, similar to symbol insert and delete algorithm, and are not part of the act list. The act list is between these two nodes. Let's see here. We have index contents, we have start and data link, and response session memory. It's requests two-line array and info and links. For example, we have 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. Okay, travel linked list is one when we write the code set ptr equals start response step 3 to the 4 while ptr is not equal to null, and applying process to info and between ptr and set the ptr is equal to link ptr, end of loop, and 5 exit. Introduction. It contains a squeeze of node. Each contains a paired data file and one or two reference links point to the next one. The data elements can inform and cursor point of the linked list or in the list, and the point or the pointer or the links or the address to the next node in the last start pointer the points in the first node and the last one. The last node of the linked list has links pointer null in the end of the linked list. Node has in the linked list. No node in the linked lists has its data pointer element. And we have an array and linked list. Array is lists throw and contain memory. Elements of array can accede quickly and insert and delete. In the middle of array lies the movement of the many elements. The size of array is fixed. A linked list stays throwing memory and content with the pointer or the links of the next element. Initiate and delete only requires reassigning of a few pointer. The long of the list can change at any time, making it dynamic data service. Instead of linked list, can create a new node and strong data in the node. We can find correct pointer in the list, assuming the point of the initiate the new node. We can make it like instant atlog start locked item. If LOC equal to null, then inst first start item, else set new equal creates node, set info new equal item and links new equal to null, set link new equal links LOC, set links LOC equal to new, end of strings and the access. This is the example for the instead of a linked list. And we have another one, create new strong data node. Another one, we have similar one, set new equal create a new node, set info new equal item and linkless new equal null, set start equal new exit, and algorithm find and insert start item LOC equal find low start item local call instant item local and exit. This is some example of linked list. Insertion in linked list equal what is it called? Wait. Maybe big link list local equal or item location. Search linked list start linked list start item local set ptr equal start local equal null. Response step 3 to 4 while ptr is not equal to null. If infop equal item set local equal ptr, end of if strict set part equal link, end of loop, retain loop. Reading assessment, travel linked list, complete search in linked list, and we have global correlation in linked list. and overflow and underflow linked lists, and completing of instance in linked list. This is some of graphical respiration, drawing or scratch. Link start equal to null. We had hard node data link, and it's continue to create hard linked lists. This is some of example. And thank you for this.